Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can listen to Spotify songs or any other audio offline, so let's get right into it. Now, this includes two steps. One is actually enabling the offline mode, and the other one is downloading the music or the audio that you wish to listen to. Now, sadly, you cannot download individual songs, so you will need to add all the songs that you want to listen to offline into a separate playlist. Once you do this, you can download the entire playlist, and then that will be available to you to play offline. Then you need to turn on offline mode, and you can do this either on mobile or on PC. On mobile, once you're in the app, you just click on the gear icon, then go to offline mode, and just turn that on, and then you'll be able to play the playlist offline. And this is under the playback section. Of course, you just need to keep in mind, you just scroll down until you find it, and that is pretty much it. Now, to turn it on your PC, you just launch the Spotify desktop app and click the ellipses in the top left, then select file and then go into offline mode, and then you'll be in offline mode and you'll be able to listen to the songs that you've downloaded. Now, you pretty much disable these modes pretty much the same way, going through the same steps and just turning it off, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.